I already have it on my hands, which is not a good idea. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for watching this video. If you haven't clicked like, subscribe or share by now, you have a lot of catching up to do. But if you're returning subby and you love me and you shared me with yours, please don't forget to share me with some more. So now that that is out of the way, sorry, I just saw a speedboat and that distracted me because we are in a 24-hour lockdown. Never mind. Today we are coloring my hair. My hair has been so many different colors. Colors. Different colors. Different colors. 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 Thinking of just going back to black. I want to do braids soon, hopefully. My hair takes forever to grow, so I'm going to be coloring it in with hopefully my last color for the year. It is black henna. It's just a black color. I prefer to use henna instead of like hair color because it's a natural coloring product. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope I can give you some tips on how to color your own hair at home. I color my own hair. I think I colored my hair once when I originally cut it. It's quite easy. I hope you can pick up something from this video and that it's educational. I'm sorry that I'm scruffy, but it's not like I have anywhere to go. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell at the end if you like this, and give it a thumbs up because a girl is trying to get to 200 subbies. So first things first, if you love your bathroom, please cover everything. Probably the first time in my life I've ever read instructions. A pack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. I'm gonna need. Only gonna need this one. That should be I don't know. Oh, God. So let's get everything together for application. We're going to need the sachet, warm water, cool cotton wool or brush, shampoo or cape, old towel to cover shoulders, plastic or rubber gloves, a plastic bowl. Okay, I have all of that. Shower dry. I already washed my hair, and then mix 1 sachet of henna or plastic with 5 teaspoons of warm water, and use immediately within 2 minutes. Scallop unused mesh. So this should be, I don't even know why I'm reading the instructions because this should be as basic as possible. I just need to should I just bite it? So it looks like this. I'm hoping you can see that. And it smells like I'm being dramatic, but it actually smells like green matcha. Wait, one sachet apparently is enough for my, I don't know, it just seems like, one sachet is not enough. My hair's a lot. Nah, we can put in another one. This is one sachet and 3 teaspoons. You see why I don't like reading instructions? This is like one sachet and 3 teaspoons. Okay, I'm assuming that whoever uses this thing, right, will probably have long hair, longer than mine, and I don't think this is enough, honestly. My hair is not that much, but it's not this little either. It doesn't make sense, but yeah, we move on. So Vaseline for me is the thing. I don't want to get this henna on my ears and stuff. I want it to stick to the hair only. Yeah, it smells like matcha. Matcha. I'm just gonna use that part of the balloon to smear it on my head. Mind you, I cannot see a thing, so I'm leading by faith, coloring by faith. I'm actually combing out the very little hair that I have because I want the dye or the color to go right through. I noticed that when I don't comb, some parts are not covered, so you want the color to be evenly spread. So I missed a little spot here apparently. I actually should be doing this with a So I use an old t-shirt to cover my shoulders and to wipe my head, which is something that you should do too if you don't want to get dye on your clothes or onto your furniture. Trial and error. I love it. The cage says I should wait 30 minutes, but I figured because my hair is not that long, I did about 15 minutes and then I washed it out. Whatever works for you. do the same process again, repeat the same mirror process just to check where you went wrong. I didn't do that. I just washed it because I knew I got it right the first time. But you want to check, you should check. So you should get that mirror and do a double check at the end of the wash just to see that everything is looking proper from the back. Thank you so very much for 170 subscribers. I cannot believe it. If you're not part of the 170, it's okay, as long as you make it 171. But thank you so very much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, the comment section. See you on Fashion Friday.